So let us understand the anatomy of abacus through teacher's abacus. This is the outer frame of abacus. These are the rods. The rods and the frame are divided by a horizontal bar into two parts. The upper part is called the upper deck and the lower part is called the lower deck. Now this is a 13-rod abacus in which the 7th rod from both left and right hand side is the unit rod, or what we call the house. Now we start our calculation work from house only. Now in the lower deck, each rod has 4 beads and the value of each bead is 1. In the upper deck, each rod has 1 bead and the value of each bead is 5. Now when the upper and the lower beads touch the horizontal bar, the value of abacus is achieved. When the beads do not touch the horizontal bar, the value of abacus is 0. Now that we have understood the anatomy, let us now understand the bead values. Since we have seen that we start from the house or units place, let us now understand the bead values at units place. Now, if one bead of the lower deck is touching the horizontal bar, the value is 1. If 2 beads are touching the horizontal bar, the value is 2. If 3 beads are touching, the value is 3. Now, what is the value on abacus? Since we have seen that if the beads are not touching the horizontal bar, the value on abacus is not achieved. So here the value still remains 3. Now the value on abacus is 4. Similarly, if the upper bead touches the horizontal bar, the value is 5. Similarly, the value is 6. Now the value is 7. Now the value is 8. Now the value is 9.